Welcome to the Somerset project. This was a low-budget 2 or 3K renovation that we completed just last month. What makes this project special is the owner's strategy.
Okay, so we're here at Somerset, and this was a takeover project, and her first contractor didn't do her right. She got us, and Hamira has the experience been going so far.
Awesome. Really surprising at the ease it takes to make decisions regarding the renovations, because sometimes there's a lot of conflicting things going on, but the documents that I received via email, the communication spelled out perfectly, thoroughly, and if there were questions, readily available to answer.
Yep. So there you go, guys. And we're going to show you all through this entire project. We're going to help her get this place rented out, because that's what it's all about, okay? And that's pretty much it.
She owned this duplex as a rental property. Instead of letting it sit outdated and underperforming, she used a 203K renovation loan to completely transform it and turn it into 2 highly desirable rental units. Before we even started construction, we worked closely with the owner on a full 3D design of the entire project. That way, she could visualize exactly how everything would look once it was done. Now let me show you how it all came together. Starting with the first floor, we added 2 new bedrooms. This instantly increased the rental value and gave future tenants more flexibility. We relocated the kitchen and fully redesigned it for better flow and functionality. The existing bathroom had major plumbing issues, so we fixed those, upgraded all the fixtures, and gave it a fresh new look. We also added 2 closets to give tenants more storage space. One of the biggest transformations was removing 3 non-load-bearing walls. That allowed us to get rid of 2 small bedrooms and create a comfortable, open living area. We replaced the entire HVAC system with 2 mini-split systems, one for each unit. This made heating and cooling more efficient and allowed us to level the ceilings in different parts of the house. Outside, we replaced the railings and gave the entire exterior a fresh coat of paint. Inside both units, we installed new plywood and flooring throughout, tying everything together and giving it a finished look. This is what's possible with a 203K renovation loan. Even on a limited budget, with the right strategy and the right contractor, you can turn an old rental property into a valuable asset. If you're thinking about using a 203K loan to renovate your property, reach out to us. Let's talk.